Hello, you're welcome to this short announcement. My name is Shedra. On this video, I'm going to be officially introducing you to RechargeVTU. RechargeVTU is one of our old platform that has been working before now, though we had kind of an upgrade. Okay, upgrade was done on the platform, so we just want to officially announce it to everybody. So what is RechargeVTU? RechargeVTU is just like a VTU website where you can do your top up as a customer, and you can as well use it as API. Now, what we have done as the upgrade is what I really want to explain to you briefly about the platform. So stick around with me as I walk you through the whole process. Now, starting from the landing page didn't change. We still maintain the old landing page. So, but right now, if you come to register login, once you click on register or login, it will take you to the new login and register button. So let's just, I already have an account, but I just want to show you how everything looks like. So if you click on register, to take you to the registration box. Here, you just have to put in your normal details, which is normal registration details. And also permit me to say here that if you are an old client and you are actually have an account with RechargeVT before now, make sure you register a new account and get back to the support team with your old details. Make sure you use the old details to register here. Don't use maybe you are answering uh, a particular name you now on the old application, then you are using a different name altogether, so it will not work. So make sure you use the same name that you used previously before the upgrade is done. So once you have filled up your form, you will just be given an acknowledgement that you have registered. So I'm gonna just quickly log in and continue this training as pay because I already have an account. So once you sign up, it's completely free to get started. So once you sign up, and you'll be able to get welcome to your own dashboard. So once you are logged in, you'll be welcome to your own dashboard. As I said, the dashboard is very, very simple, and you can see that the previous old version does not have something like this. So the dashboard is very simple. The first thing you should do, as once you are logged in as someone that has been using the system before now, is that if you click on add money now, you'll be given your own dedicated account number, pay account number for payments, right? So, and this payment does not attract any deposit. So, if you are paying 100 naira, you're getting 100 naira for deposit. So, you can easily do your top up as like your wallet funding using the auto funding account. That's the first ever thing that you should notice about the new upgraded version of Recharge VTU is that it has its own auto funding inclusive. So before now, it doesn't have something like this. So make sure you pay attention to the new features, and it is the only available method of payment. Other method is currently not available other than the auto funding, which is pay account. So apart from that, you can also see that other features like you can buy airtime on the system, you can buy airtime, you can buy airtime, and you can see the new design interface. You can 100% buy airtime on the platform. So that's just on it. Then the next thing is the data system. Now the data, which is also the benchmark to this business, in terms of people that I want to run it as a business, you can easily make purchases of data. SME is here, and it's very, very cheap, guys. It's very, very cheap. Okay, so you can also see gifting plans. There's a lot of gifting plans, guys, which you can also take notice of. So we also have other data plans. We have Glow there. Glow is also that is corporate there. We can also see it very, very cheap, guys. Very, 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 very cheap. So we also have Nine Mobile. We also have Airtel there. Airtel has corporate. So you can easily check it out right away, guys. Check it out. Then apart from that, we also have API. For those of you that want to do integration on the platform, you can also click on this API. The API will give you ability for you to begin to connect with the Recharge VTU as a platform. So you can easily study the API and then get it integrated in your own website. So, but then before you can do this integration, before you can able to integrate the API, you needed to understand that you need to upgrade to a vendor. So before you can get an API key, so you just click on these vendors here. Once you click on vendors here, you'll be able to be prompted to make a payment, which I think is a 5K at the moment, which is very cheap, guys. Very, very cheap. So once you make the payment, you upgrade to a vendor, and then there you can get your API key on your profile. So once you click on profile here, you can easily see your API key listed here. Another thing is I need to understand the price ID for developers. Apart from being upgraded to a vendor, you need to also go to pricing section. So if you click on more here, just click on more, you'll be able to be taken to the place where you can see pricing here. You can see pricing here. Let me use illustration so that you have to see what I'm saying. You can see pricing here. Just click on this pricing. So once you click on this pricing, it will take you to the place where you have to see the prices. So this is the network ID, which is very important for your integration. For those of you that want to do integration, so you can always use your network ID as a means of these are the data plans, and this is the, if you're a vendor, this is the price you're going to get as a vendor. So these are and more are the things that is new on the platform. Apart from that, there is also a done for you system, website setup system, which you can own a VT website on this platform, which is RechargeVTU. So just click on own a website. For those of you that want to do done for me system as regard to like, okay, I just want to have my own website connected to RechargeVTU as an API system. So this is it, and the price at the moment is very, very cheap, guys. It's very, very cheap. Okay, so you can go on to place your order right now. You can see the price written specifically how much you have to pay to get this started. So this is just like an entry price. I remember it's a promo price. Okay, with the at least 35K, you can get this website done and dusted. Okay, so don't say I didn't say or I didn't give you an offer. Imagine paying 35K to get yourself a reseller website that looks like Recharge VTU. Now, what are you waiting for? Remember, the reseller website will come with auto banking, which is free for the benefit of people that maybe you don't have a business registered, but you really want to have an auto banking on your VTU business. Then go for this package. Now, remember, this is a promo launch price. Normally, this is not the price we are setting up VTU website for clients. So, what are you waiting for? Now, go and then place your order. How do you place your order? It's very simple. Click on own website, then scroll down. You'll be able to see the number to contact. Okay, I'm also going to be leaving that on the description of this video. If you click on WhatsApp, you're going to be taken to the WhatsApp. Just request that I want a Recharge VTU reseller website. How do I pay? Okay, now once you make your payment, we'll build a website for you, connect it to Recharge VTU so that it will be your API system for sourcing of product. That is what the reseller website is all about. So these are the top features, and the other features are also NNI verifications, which of course is still on the developmental stage, whereby you can be doing BVM verification and NNI verification as well on this new solution. So what are you waiting for? Go on and start and get started with using Recharge V2, because this is actually an updated version of the platform. So most of you that are old clients that has a business with us before now, pending when the upgrade is done, make sure you go register, and then once you are done with registration, send us the same detail you do on the old account, so that even if you have a balance on the old account, it will carry on to the new platform. So if you also have the old platform, this is the time you have to upgrade your website to be on 100% on automation, which of course makes it very flexible for you to run the business smoothly without much problem. So get started. If you are new, get started, either to use the platform for your day-to-day recharge activities, or better still, you can order for your own VTU website. Once you order for it, it will be ready as soon as possible. I'm talking about from 1 to 3 days, your website will be done and dusted. So what are you waiting for? And not only that, we're going to be using the price of a vendor to set up everything for you. So you shouldn't be able to you'll be selling at a very, 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 very cheaper price, guys. Okay, so this is all about this video. And then I'm going to see you in the very next video. Subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Thanks and God bless.